Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I think we're going to do something a little different than we have done before because I got another Farmbox direct order that I didn't know was coming. And I'm pretty sure that I had paused this so that it didn't surprise me anymore, but it came anyway, and I'm not really sure why, because I distinctly remember going on and skipping this. Not sure what happened here, but I think I'm going to put a hold on Farmbox Direct in the future, depending upon what's in this box. And this is funny because the box, it's a plain box this time. I'm not sure. I guess maybe they ran out of boxes with their logo on it. I'm not sure. But here's the thing. Farmbox Direct is like $66, possibly, or more. And I'm not really able to control it, so it seems, because I've skipped orders and they come anyway, and it's a lot more than Worthy Flavors, which is only $39.99 for about the same amount. So unless this box is spectacular, I'm probably going to put a pause on it. And here's the other thing. So tomorrow, Worthy Flavors is coming, and this is a replacement for that box that I got that was held onto by FedEx for like 6 days. So I'm actually not even paying for that box, not because it's sponsored, but because there was a mix-up on FedEx's side. So Worthy Flavors is just sending me a free box this time. And I think what I'm going to do is pause Farmbox and just go with Worthy Flavors every other week with Misfits on the off weeks and the occasional imperfect foods thrown in for good measure because we can get some good pantry items from them. But let's see what's inside this. And stay till the end because I'm going to do the Worthy Flavors unboxing in this same video. So I'm not going to do two separate videos. This is one. This is comparing what I got today from Farmbox Direct to what I'm getting tomorrow from Worthy Flavors, all in one video. So that's why this one's a little bit different. So let's get this box open from Farmbox and see what I got. I didn't customize this because I thought I had canceled it. So this is the only organic medium box from Farmbox Direct. And this is where they get me because they do package this very nicely. And I think this is why it's good that I actually wish that the Worthy Flavors box had come at the same time because we could have done this all at once. But I can't very well just let this sit around for a day until Worthy Flavors gets here. But I think Worthy Flavors and Farmbox Direct are the best comparisons to each other, especially with this only organic medium box. So we've gotten this before from Farmbox. This is a handout about pears. And then the loyalty program where you can get $10 off your next box. And if you're interested in trying Farmbox Direct, there is a link in the description down below and you can get $10 off your first box. And a Harlow's Harvest handout. We've talked about this before. If you have kids, look into Harlow's Harvest. It sounds like a fun idea for kids. And I have nothing to gain. I don't have any coupon codes, but you might just want to look into it. So just put that into Google if you have kids. It is packaged so nice. See, this is one thing I do really appreciate. So we've got a cucumber and just check it. Yes, it's organic. This is a nice looking cucumber. Everything in here is very nice and cool. Of course, it's very cold outside. So that might have something to do with that. Some green leaf lettuce. This looks very fresh, very nice. An avocado. This looks good. It's organic. It starts with the number 9. And we've talked about that before. So one way you can make sure that what you're getting is organic, even at the grocery store, is to look at the tag. If it starts with the number 9, you know you're getting an organic product. I love how they wrap this up. I think I'm gonna miss this. Some red shard, and this looks beautiful. Some cauliflower, and this is very similar to the cauliflower that we got from Worthy Flavors last time. So, I mean, I think they're pretty comparable to each other, but that's why I'm doing this back-to-back, head-to-head. So remember, when I'm done with this Farmbox box, we're going to do Worthy Flavors. And some Brussels sprouts. Let's take a look at these Brussels sprouts. They look really good, nice size, tightly wrapped. It's a smaller bag than what they normally send. And then we have some green beans with one of these Desi packs thrown in. And these look nice. They look good. They look good. Some apples. We really have more apples than we need. We keep getting more and more apples, but these look very nice if we needed apples. But again, had I intended to get this box, I would have selected to customize and not get the apples. But I honestly thought I had paused this. One beet. Maybe there's another one in here somewhere, but it doesn't look like it. So one random beet. Ooh, I wish I had these last night. I made a salad and really wanted some tomatoes. Some nice plum or Roma tomatoes. Oh, dropped a pear. Some pears, and I guess that's why we got the pear handout. These look good, aside from the fact that I just dropped one. They looked good. Some rainbow carrots. Nothing wrong with these. Some very large russet potatoes. Look fine to me. Another Desi pack. And again, these are not ice packs. These are for static and dehumidification. And they put these in the box. I also kind of put them in the fridge, as long as I have them. And then it looks like, this looks like a blood orange, but maybe it's not. What do we have here? Oh, it is. So blood orange. That's nice. And then we've got 3 navel oranges. Oh, and there's one more thing. What is this? Oh, more pears. So we've got lots of fruit. I don't really need as much fruit. I eat a lot more vegetables than I do fruit. So I wish I had known this was coming, but I swear, I'm pretty sure I went in there and canceled it. And then we've got the gel pack. Okay, so now on to Worthy Flavors. It's the next day, and my Worthy Flavors order has just arrived. I'm going to get this opened up and see what's inside. Now with Worthy Flavors, I have no option to customize. So that is one drawback. But last time I got that giant lemon. And if you missed that, there's a link to it in the description down below. It was an enormous lemon. Just enormous. So, they do give you a little paper that tells you what's inside, but I'm going to put this over here in case I don't know what something is. And they're reminding me that I can refer you and you can get 20% off your order. So there's a link in the description down below if you're interested in Worthy Flavors. You do have to be east of the Mississippi, and I think Maine is excluded, but they're adding it in February. So maybe by the time this posts or around that time, if you're in Maine, you'll be able to get it. But unfortunately, right now, west of the Mississippi, you cannot get Worthy Flavors. And, ooh, this looks really good. There's a recipe in here for spinach egg muffins. And this is one I'm keeping because that looks so good. I wish there were eggs in here, but I know they don't do that. I wish they did. You know, Seven Sons does do eggs. They ship them. You have to buy a ton of eggs, but they do them. And I don't really know even where I would put that much eggs, so I never got them. Check out this. That, my friends, is a lot of spinach. Oh my goodness. This is what I wish I had for Thanksgiving when I make that stuffing with sausage and mushrooms and spinach. But wow, Colin was asking me for spinach the other day because he wanted to make an omelet. So that's, I guess, why we have this spinach egg muffin recipe. And I bet you you can make these and freeze them and stick them in the microwave for like 30 seconds to reheat them. So that's a really great idea. And I love that I got that much spinach. I want to show you what this looks like inside because it's organized. Can you imagine? It's organized. The spinach was lying across the top, and then we have some things in this compartment over here. We have our water bottles, which is what they use for ice packs. Instead of using ice packs, they use water bottles. And then over here, we have another compartment. And everything is treated with care. It's different. Novel concept. So they don't wrap things the way that Farmbox Direct does, but they do treat it. They do treat the produce well. So we have some tomatoes, and these look pretty good. Nothing wrong with them. Grape tomatoes. And we have some, ooh, these feel a little too cold. Maybe they're okay. We have, wow, 5 organic cucumbers. And this, if I didn't say it, is the organic box. There's only one size of the organic box, and it is $39.99. One price, one box, all organic. Lemons, Worthy Flavors really loves their lemons. Wow. As if I didn't get enough lemon juice from that giant lemon. Now I have 2, 4, 6 lemons here. And now I have 4 more. So 10 lemons. Wow. 10 lemons. Thank you, Worthy Flavors. This is awesome. We have some beets. These look like gold, maybe just regular beets. Oh, gold beets. I was right the first time. Gold beets with the beet greens, so I can use these in my juicer and make some juice. Maybe with the spinach and the lemon. See, now we're thinking. Some more gold beets. And then this is what they use for ice packs, are these water bottles. And they freeze them and then put them in this nice cardboard sleeve so that it's not thrown on top of anything the way Misfits or Imperfect does. And then if you want to, you can take the water bottles out and use them for water once you get them. And I think that's a really good idea. The first time, my first order from Worthy Flavors, I wasn't expecting that. And I thought it was a little ghetto. But I have since changed my mind, and now I think it's a great idea. This looks like, is it romaine? Yes. Some organic romaine, and they put it in a bag so it stays fresher this way because, and that lettuce that I got from Imperfect that was in the clamshell box, that kept for like a week. It was awesome. So I like when they put a bag over it because it keeps longer. And I don't keep produce bags around the house. I haven't been to the grocery store in, I can't tell you how long. at this point. So I really like that they do this. It'll keep fresher in the fridge. And we've got a cabbage, organic green cabbage, and they put the tag in the bottom. Nice. I gave them some heat the first time I ordered that there were no tags on anything. If you've watched me for a while, you know that if produce, the number on the produce starts with the number 9, it's organic. So it's important to me to see the tag. And I'll make coleslaw with this, and we'll have it with some burgers or maybe some hot dogs, because I got some hot dogs from the butcher box. 2 nice bags of green beans. These are really, really nice. Wow. So nice. And, oh, see? And there's the source code on the bottom, which is nice. But it's nice that there's a tag. And C&B Farms is one of the founding members of Worthy Flavors. One of the founding farms, I guess. So these are really fresh when we get them from them. When we get them from Misfits Market, which we have many times, they're nowhere near in the same condition. So I will take them all day, every day from Worthy Flavors. And some celery. Okay. So here's the question. This is what my sink looks like with $39 worth of produce from Worthy Flavors, all organic. And this is what my sink looks like with all organic medium box from Farmbox Direct for $64-ish. I don't know about you, but I really just can't justify spending that much with Farmbox Direct because the volume isn't there. We get, I feel like, such a better deal. And I mean, this spinach is awesome. What do you think? Is this a better deal, or is it better that with Farmbox? The advantage with Farmbox is that you can customize your box. You can swap things out. So they do get points there. But value for dollar, if you don't really mind what you get, and I don't mind because I'll cook whatever comes, honestly. So I feel like this is a better deal, and I'm going to, although it hurts my heart, I'm going to take a little break from Farmbox Direct, focus on Misfits Market and Worthy Flavors, because I feel like I get the better deals there. Occasionally, I will go back and try Farmbox Direct. I will also keep trying Imperfect Foods because they do have pantry staples that are great, and I really like that. So I'm going to get this all put away, but I want to know what you guys think. What is your favorite source for organic produce to your door? What companies have you had the best luck with? Is there anybody I haven't tried that you think I should try? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, give it a like, and remember to subscribe and tap that bell so that you never miss a video and you can see all the stuff I get from these boxes, as well as other health and nutrition content. And remember, I have freebies on my website. Just go to aimeericca.com/freebies, and you can download as many of those things as you like. I've got the sugar detox, the 14-day fitness challenge, and the fresh start for 2021 goal setting workbook. Other stuff too, recipes and all kinds of things. So go over there and get those. And thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.